Hey, Gord here. Hiace off-road. So we're at the goat. We're still battling away at this bodywork. Today where I'm at here is there's these dents up on the front corner, and I want to get those out. Just try and make it a little bit better, anyways. And then this front end, I want to get it straightened away. I want to get this cleaned up a bit today as well. So I think realistically I got one more day of body work, maybe two, and then but this week this thing's getting painted. I think this week, at least all primed this week for sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep battling away here. It's man, it's a lot of work. It's just a ton of work, but I'm having fun. It's going good. So yeah. I'm gonna go pull those dents with that unit spotter, and then we'll get at it. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Well, a quick progress report. This my that's how I'm working on this thing. I had to set those two blocks on the chair. On the tire. Because this thing's so damn tall, it's hard to work up there. But I fixed that roof. I pulled the dents out of it and then threw a little filler in. So that looks pretty great now. And I tuned up this front a little bit. So that's awesome. And I stripped all this. So tomorrow will be acid and finish cleaning it. Put a little mud where there's a little divot in that spot, so I just threw a little mud in there. All my drip rails are straight. Pretty pleased about that. And then everything else, I removed all that old rubber, the rubber bed guard or whatever that was in it. Holy hell, that's a lot of work. Like, to strip this down to bare metal took so long. Oh my gosh. But she's stripped now. Just a couple little spots to touch up and a little bit more sanding. And I can prime this baby. Probably 2 more days. I was hoping to do it today, but oh man, just stripping all this stuff off just took so long. Like, painfully long. But she's all bare metal now and cleaned and treated. All the seam sealer's been picked out. Yeah, that's a lot of work. That's a lot of work. So I'm going to call it a night, and we'll do this again tomorrow. Have a good night, eh? Hey guys, I'm getting closer. I got her plasticed up today. I got that little ding up on the top pulled out and fixed. And I have just a little bit to do on the front. But I wanted to plastic it up and get it ready. So, if all goes well, tomorrow I'm going to throw some primer on this thing. At least get it all sealed up in one color. That's tomorrow's goal. Okay, guys. Man, I'm really stoked on this, actually. It's a lot of work, but I think it's going to be pretty awesome when I'm done. All the rust is gone. It's neat. Yeah, you can see how they brazed it together back in the day. Some parts of this truck are brazed together instead of being welded. I found it interesting. Okay. Well, I'm going to get at it. It's about 7 at night, and I'm going to end the day. So I'll be back at her tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.